Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting flagship smartphones from Japan, the Sharp Aquos R8 Pro. This phone was released in July 2023 and has gained a lot of attention for its incredible display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and a unique 1-inch camera sensor co-developed with Leica. Let's explore everything this device has to offer. The design of the Sharp Aquos R8 Pro is both premium and durable. It has a metal frame with a glass back giving it a solid and high-end feel. The camera module is noticeably large, emphasizing its advanced Leica-engineered camera system. This phone is also IP68 rated, meaning it is waterproof and dust-resistant, making it a great option for Japan's humid and rainy conditions. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is its display. It features a 6.6-inch Pro IGZO OLED panel with a resolution of 1260 by 2730 pixels. The visuals are sharp, colors are vibrant, and blacks are deep, creating an immersive viewing experience. The refresh rate is an impressive 240 Hz, making scrolling and gaming incredibly smooth. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, this display remains crystal clear even under direct sunlight. When it comes to performance, the Sharp Aquos R8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset coupled with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This combination ensures lag-free performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming 4K content. The phone also uses UFS 4.0 storage, allowing for faster app loading and data transfers. The camera system is where this phone truly stands out. It features a 47MP main camera with a massive 1-inch sensor, developed in partnership with Leica. This large sensor allows the phone to capture more light, resulting in better low-light photography with sharp details and rich colors. The Leica technology enhances image processing, making portraits and HDR shots more natural and professional-looking. Alongside the main sensor, there is a 1.9MP depth sensor to improve portrait shots. Another interesting feature is that the camera ring also functions as a passive cooling system, helping dissipate heat during long photography or gaming sessions. On the front, the 12.6MP selfie camera ensures high-quality selfies and clear video calls. Battery life is another strong point of this device. It is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring a full day of usage on a single charge. Sharp has also optimized power consumption with its IGZO display technology, making the phone more power efficient. Fast charging support is available, but the exact wattage has not been officially disclosed. In terms of software, the Aquos R8 Pro runs on Android 13, providing a clean and near-stock UI experience. It comes with optimization specifically for the Japanese market, including features for security, privacy, and battery efficiency. The phone supports 5G connectivity and Wi-Fi 6E, offering ultra-fast network speeds for smooth browsing, gaming, and streaming. The Sharp Aquos R8 Pro is mainly available in Japan, sold through carrier deals and retail stores. The pricing varies, but it is positioned as a premium flagship smartphone in the market. With its stunning IGZO OLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and revolutionary 1-inch Leica camera sensor, the Aquos R8 Pro is an excellent choice for those who prioritize high-end photography and smooth performance. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the Sharp Aquos R8 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.